In order to assist with the setup of your new LILIN NVR, we've included a tool known as the Setup Wizard. To begin, simply click the Next button. You will see a screen that will prompt you to select the language that your NVR operates in. There are 15 languages to choose from. For this example, we'll use English. Click the Next button to proceed, and the following screen will prompt you to change the password for your NVR. The default password is 1111, and we recommend that you change that password to something unique and easy to remember. Click the Next button when finished. And once your new password finishes applying, you'll be prompted to log in using your new password. Next, you have the opportunity to set the date and the time for your NVR. You can begin by setting the correct date and time in the time bar, and then below, you're able to select the time zone that your NVR will be located within. Once that's finished, click the Next button. Next, you'll have the opportunity to format any hard drives that your NVR has. Simply do so by ticking the Select box and then clicking the Format button. You'll be asked to enter the password for your NVR one more time, and then click the OK button once you've done so. Depending on the amount of storage space in your NVR, it may take a few minutes to format all of the hard drives completely. Once the formatting is completed, click on the Next button. You will then be able to configure the network settings for your NVR. Make sure that the IP address is unique, and make sure that the default gateway is pointed to the router. Click on the Next button when finished. If it hasn't already been enabled, be sure and enable peer-to-peer or P2P, and then click on the Next button. The camera setup page has several settings that you'll want to take notice of. First and foremost is the WS Discovery button, which will scan your entire network and give you a list of available cameras. Next, the Snap button will take a snapshot from each of those cameras so you know which is which. Auto Adjust IP will cause the NVR to set each one of those cameras to a valid IP address. Finally, Auto Select Camera will cause each of the cameras to be assigned to a channel. So for this example, first we're going to click WS Discovery, which is scanning the network for each of the cameras available. And since these have already been IP addressed, we'll go ahead and click Auto Select Camera to assign each one to a channel. Click the Next button when finished. And that's how easy it is to set up your LILIN NVR using the Setup Wizard. Go ahead and click No Longer Use Setup Wizard and then the Completed button in order to finish. Should you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to LILIN Technical Support.